Is consideration always required for a business contract? Imagine making a deal where one side promises to deliver goods and the other promises to pay. Do you think both parts need to give something in return? That's what consideration is all about. In business law, consideration is usually needed for a contract to be valid and enforceable. It means each party must exchange something of value, like money, services, or a promise. For example, if you agree to sell a car for a set price, the buyer promises to pay, and you promise to transfer ownership. Both sides are giving something of value, which makes the contract binding. Consideration can take many forms. It could be paying money, providing a service, or promising to do something in the future. It can also be giving up a legal right, like agreeing not to sue someone. The important part is that something of legal value is exchanged. The value does not have to be equal or fair, just that both sides are giving something of legal worth. Most contracts requiring consideration to be enforceable. Without it, the agreement might just be a gift or a promise that cannot be legally enforced. For example, if someone promises to give you a gift without expecting anything in return, it is not a contract. But if you pay for a product or service, consideration is present. There are some exceptions. Certain promises can be enforced without consideration if the other person relies on the promise and suffers a detriment. This is called promissory estoppel. For instance, if a company promises to keep a job open for an employee and the employee relies on that promise, courts might enforce it even without consideration. Some formal contracts, like those under seal or with specific statutes, may not need consideration. Also, when a contract is modified, usually new consideration is needed unless specific rules apply. In business, it is important to clearly state and exchange consideration in contracts. This helps make sure the agreement is enforceable. For example, a contract might specify that a client will pay $50,000 for a custom software project, and the developer agrees to deliver the software within 60 days. Both sides know what they are giving and receiving, which helps prevent disputes. In summary, consideration is a key part of most business contracts. It shows that both sides are giving something of value, making the agreement legally binding. Without consideration, a contract might not hold up in court, risking legal and financial trouble.